Hey everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. We've been thinking real hard for the last 2 weeks. We've been kind of busy and we wanted to come up with a different cocktail. And what's better than a different cocktail than going into the classics? And I think we found one. It's sweet, it's sour, it's fruity, it's tasty. So before we do anything else, I want to thank all those of you that have subscribed to our channel. Those of you that like what you're going to see, or like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment, hit the like button. And now let's get to today's classic cocktail, the Clover Club. Let's get pouring. We're going to take our shaker glass and we're going to start with 5 fresh raspberries. Those are going in the bottom. We're now going to put in there 1 3/4 ounce of Tanqueray gin. Tanqueray 10 is what we're using today. Next, we are going to use 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And that's going in there. Next, 2/3 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And you know, you got to use fresh because fresh is best. Next goes in there is our muddle. We're going to break down those berries. We're going to get some nice juice out of there. We're going to get some nice flavor. And of course, we're going to get some nice color too. And because this drink is a sour, one of the things that you want to use is an egg white to give it that frothy foam on it. Just a little hint on there, if you're using an egg white, if the egg is warm, I find that it tends to froth up a little bit better on there for you. And if you're using fresh eggs, you never have to really worry about anything going wrong with them. Slap the top on that and let's give it a good shake. When you're shaking it, it's going to break down that fruit. It's going to give it a nice, smooth, airy texture. And that's what's going to give you that nice frothy head on. And that goes in there. Now what we need to do is chill it. So we're going to go in there. We're going to use a large ice cube. We're going to put that in there. Next, we need a Coupe glass. We're going to take our Hawthorne Strainer and we're going to use a fine mesh strainer because we got the raspberry seeds in there. We want to keep those out of the cocktail, and that gets poured into the Coupe glass. Look at that. Oh. It didn't disappear on you. I just had to go get my garnish. We're garnishing that with 3 raspberries. And that is today's cocktail, the Clover Club. That's very good. Thanks for joining us.